welcome back to my channel, Isha's Rainbow World. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to ring that bell button for more notifications of my videos. And today is our unboxing video. Are you guys excited? Okay, tell me in the comment section. And today we got Smiley Factory stationery set. Okay, so it has some kind of markers and some 3 stamps. And I think so. What is this box? Okay, we don't know what is in it. I'm gonna tell you what's in this box when we will unbox it. Oh, I guess though, as our logo, it has a rainbow. This rainbow is so cute. Okay, so let's unbox it without wasting our time. Oh my goodness, they give us white sheets also. Oh, whoa. No. Am I just right? Whoa, we just made a mess. A little bit. So we got here some pink, some red, yellow, and blue, and oh my goodness. Orange looks so beautiful. Wait, so these are all the colors. This is blue, pink, red, yellow, and orange. Now, we're gonna take out the sheet. Oh my god. Oh, wow, there we go. Do you like this? Okay, I love it very much. Now, oh my god, let's see. Oh my goodness, they have some papers that have like, first design is this, the second one is simple, no any design. Third one also simple, all of them are simple. Just the first one has a print, and it's so cute. Okay, I like Elsa. Okay. Oh, this came out. There are some cute uniguns. I love uniguns, they're the best. Okay, what are these? Oh, these are erasers. Okay, we can use them as stamps or erasers. Look, they're so cute. So one is like cyan color, and both of these two are of yellow colors. Like this. Okay. Now next, the last one. Whoa, why did this come off? Okay, it's a card. Okay, so you can use them as erasers, plus you can use them as stamps. And this came out, I don't know from where, but it would be here, like this. And okay, this is stamp. You should not open this. This could make a mess. Now we are going to color a little bit, and I love its background. Look at its background. Especially I like this unicorn at the side. She's so cute. Her eyes are so cute. Guys, everything is set up. My colors are also open. And first of all, I will show you what it is. Okay, so now we will start coloring it. So I will color, the snow olive. Okay. We're going to color him a little bit of orange, Okay, come on. Whoa, it was so fast. Okay. We're going to just color his whole face. Actually, this glue is just spelling a little bit. Come on. Okay, so there we go. His face is a little bit skinny, like color skin. Come on. Okay. So now I'm going to color his eyes. First I'm going to show you what I did. I did this. Like this. Now I'm going to color his eyes a little bit. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, this is scary. Going on scary. Out of line. Actually, these colors are really spilly, but I love them. Okay, so now I'm going to make his tongue. Come on, get open. Here you come. It's open. Oh my goodness. This looks scary. This one is not coming out. This one is already sealed. So we will check with this one. Whoa. Okay, we can just fix it. Okay, this is kind of daddy. That's not right. Looking right. Like, that's funny. He is funny. Actually, I ruined it a little bit. It's looking bad. Okay. I'll fix it later. Okay, so, whoa, I spilled on it. So now I'm going to show you how the stamp works. So there we got the box. Okay, just fast. So which one? Okay, I will take this one. Whoops, press it a little. Come on, get out. It's squeezy like slime. Okay, there we go. It's ready to put on. Okay, press it a little. Okay, this doesn't work. We're gonna press it hardly. Okay, is it ready? No. Is it now ready? No. Now ready? No. Nope. Come on, why are you not getting ready? Okay, we're going to try it. Press it hardly, really hardly. Come on, please get this time. Please. Okay, the stamps don't work. Okay, we're going to use other stamps. Let's see if they work. Okay, this blue one is so cute. Okay, this blue one works. Okay, this blue one works, but the letters don't come on the screen. So this one, I like this one. This one is cute. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I just touched my olive. Okay, so two of them worked, and so one was not worked. There we go. So the one of them didn't work, and 2 did work. And now, the best part of this unboxing, what is that? That we get this rainbow, and wow, it's coming out. Okay, so here is our rainbow. It says, happy day. Okay, so now this is how the stationery set is looking. So I will just show you a little bit more. So it has got 3 stamps, 5 markers and 1 stamp pad, and I don't know what this thing is. Okay, and they have got us a white pad. The first page of it is printed. That's so beautiful. Okay, so this is how the all set looks, and if you like the set, then like, and if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, love y'all.